guys, so I'm about to go and get my eyebrows microbladed. I've never done it before, so I thought I would vlog. And plus I'm helping out a friend. We follow each other on Instagram and she's doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to you know, help out her business, so I'm really excited for that. So I decided to vlog it and take you guys along with me. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Okay, so what are you gonna do first?
I'm gonna numb you and we'll let it sit there for 20 minutes.
Look how pretty she is.
Hi!
So we're gonna numb me. I have tattoos, so this shouldn't be so bad.
Tell them how you want your slit.
Oh yeah, we're not touching the slits. We're keeping them in there. It's like my signature.
And then I'll draw them on.
Okay.
And then I'll let you verify the shape before we start.
Okay, cool.
Don't feel like a scratch.
Okay.
Do you like the squareness in the front?
Or do you
I
kind of look
to go like curved outward?
More like as natural as possible.
Okay.
Cause whenever I do my eyebrows, I do them like super fadey on the inside.
Okay.
Oh, that's weird as fuck.
The feeling?
Yeah.
It's a different type of feeling, right?
Yeah.
What does it feel like to you? Like a scratch?
Yeah, but I think it's numb, right? So I can hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so weird.
So after this, because I have to go over multiple times,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna numb with a gel instead of a cream. And it'll penetrate a lot faster because your skin's already open.
Girl, that is so crazy.
You're so silly.
I wasn't expecting it.
Okay, so you see this? This is natural amounts of blood.
Oh, that's blood?
Somebody's like, yeah, right here. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you're bleeding all over the place, they're either cutting too deep or someone took like a blood thinner. Or maybe they got drunk the night before.
Oh my god, that hurts. That feels nothing like a tattoo.
Right, it's different.
You know what? We're gonna get through this because beauty is pain.
You kind of get used to it. It's not unbearable, right?
No, not at all. I think the sound makes it worse because it's like...
Yeah. Now we just gotta let it should tingle a little bit.
Yeah, it's definitely tingling.
Might sting just a little.
I think I've had enough of that. Probably think I'll be good. Oh, that wasn't bad. Unless there's like an after Oh yeah, there's an after.
Spoke too soon. This one's a lot stronger.
So we just went round 2 on the eyebrows.
Avoiding the slit.
Avoiding my baby. And y'all, just come prepared. But it's worth it though, because I'm gonna look like a baddie.
Mm-hmm. Wake up and go.
Exactly.
Wake up and go.
Yeah. This numbing cream, it kind of tingles just because it's open wounds, like you said, right?
Mm-hmm.
So. So guys, this is the finished result. I absolutely love it. Celina did an amazing job. It was a little painful, but you know, it's nothing unbearable. It was a great experience, and I will definitely come, and I'm going to recommend everybody to her. Right.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Celina. You can follow me on Instagram at beautybycelina_LAGI.
And I'll have that here, and I'll have her social media linked in the description box. And if you have like a website or anything like that, I'll have that link below too, so you guys can check her out.
Yay!
Yay! I'm excited.
This was so fun.
It was.